Her behavior just changed. Now she's nuts.
Allahu Akbar. See what he's saying? The behavior of the parrot changed. She's not happy anymore.
I'm getting creeped out right now.
Subhanallah. You know how parrots, they mimic the voice that they hear? Look at the screams, the high-pitched screams.
She's looking down.
Allah. Allah. Oh my God.
Allahu Akbar, what are you seeing? Allahu Akbar.
Oh, she's getting scared.
Over here. She's ripping.
Share this video, my brothers and sisters. Hopefully